I've started vlogging. I've been blogging for a long time now, it must be over 10 years, probably 15. And I found that I just didn't have enough time to blog about the things that I wanted to blog as often as I wanted to. You may not believe it, but the written form takes a long time to edit and get right, even longer than video. Certainly when your videos are of the quality that mine are at the moment. But I am getting better, hopefully, with each video. And what this allows me to do is make more videos about more things. For a while now, I've had a draft on my blog called Coffee, and another draft for cooking and food. I've put a lot of the pictures of the food I've done on Instagram, but I haven't had a chance to put them onto the blog just because of the huge amount of time it would take. And I'm now been editing for a while a lot of content on this, which I'll hopefully release, and likewise on cycling, triathlons, running, and my latest adventure, which is finally buying a defense.